Hi, my name is Sharon Stewart Francis, and I just wanted to share a brief testimony about Global NPN here in 2018. Global NPN has been around since 2005, and the owner, Geoff Stephen, is the one who got it all started. Back in 2005, there really wasn't a comprehensive way to build a list and to talk to everyone that may be interested in your products or services. It was very tedious and very manual, and he went over that in a webinar I was a part of recently. And he decided, because he does code on his own, so a lot of the coding that he could takes care of the issues in the back office, which is a real plus. If you've been online, you know that there's issues and they have to go to the designer who made it, and sometimes they can't get through to those people, and so the website doesn't work properly. Geoff Stephen actually does the coding in his own. He uses many servers, so not everything is on one server, so it really runs smoothly, and that's why it's been around so long. But not only that, he created it so that the user can be an affiliate, and he designed the affiliate program to not only be simple, but you're able to earn a lot more than even the company would earn. So with like two people, you would be earning, right? Earning, not only earning, you'd be in profit, right? So if you go to the highest level, you would be $50 profit in with just two people. And I don't know, I've looked, I don't know of any other program, services, products online that does that. Not only that, the tools that are involved are necessary tools, evergreen tools that will last a lifetime of the internet, and they're always updated to the latest nice whitelisted autoresponder, more whitelisted than the popular ones like Aweber and Get Response. Sorry, but I'm keeping it real here. More whitelisted. Why? It's on a separate server, and that server is specifically for the autoresponder, so it's not jammed up with other things. So it's always kept whitelisted. I'm just telling you that this is one of the greatest tools online. It also has tracking, not that little piece of traffic that you can get, but traffic that you can actually put in Facebook ads. So if you're a Facebook ad person, you need to be getting these tools. So the people who use the tools are satisfied, and people who affiliate the tools are satisfied. Guys, this is the best way to earn and use evergreen tools for your business that you're going to need anyway, and just make it really cool for 2018. I hope this, and I'm going to be popping up stuff on the screen probably while I'm doing this, but hopefully you're going to get the benefits from being a part of Global NPN. If you do, you'll never regret it. Take care, and thanks for watching.